Hi, my bestie and friends. Let's keep it 100% honest. Holiday deep clean is pure chaos. Scrubbing for hours, but dust bunnies are still throwing their holiday parties in the couch cracks. I've been there too. But wait until you meet my new holiday savior. This year, I've got a game-changing helper to sort all the holiday messes. The eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro. Take a wild guess how much gunk my eufy S1 Pro just sucked up. Stick around. I'll review the crazy number, and you won't believe it. This holiday hero is a game changer for New Year prep and post-party cleanup. No more hand scrubbing when you're swamped with holiday parties and family hangs. Let's be real, New Year's get-togethers slap, but the aftermath, chaos. Kids tearing around with snacks, guests dropping crumbs on the carpet, and let's not even talk about those unavoidable kitchen spills. Scrubbing that all up yourself? Totally party pooper when you just want to unwind. But this eufy S1 Pro does all heavy lifting. You don't have to lift a finger. This holiday season, my favorite thing about the eufy S1 Pro is its fully automatic self-cleaning station. Picture this. You're done hosting New Year's Eve, dead tired, and all you want to do is crash into the bed. Instead of emptying a dustbin at 2 a.m., this little hero heads back to the station on its own. Empties dirt in the sealed bag, even cleans its own roller brush. No touching gross dustbins, no messy cleanup after cleanup. Exactly the convenience we need when we are juggling parties, shoppings, and family times. Plus, it's totally saved me from the back pains I used to get from bending over and tidying up. Totally lifesaver during this busy season. And let's talk about smart features. Total win for both busy big family reunions and neat quick cleanup this new year. My family members just love that you could control it straight from the eufy app. Need to start a new clean while you're out grabbing the last minute party supplies? Just tap a button. Got a high traffic spot like the entryway where guests tracking snow and dirt? Set a custom cleaning zone in the app. It uses advanced LDS laser navigation, so it never gets lost or stuck. Avoiding furniture like a pro. No more coming home to find your robot trapped under the couch. Total peace of mind. Alright, let's circle back to that question I hit you with earlier. Ready for the big review? My eufy S1 Pro pulled up a whopping amount of gunk from my floors in just 3 minutes. That's all the cookie crumbs, pet hairs, those tiny dust bunny hiding in the corners, and yeah, even those stubborn dried pasta beads under the dining table after our family dinner. All thanks to its 6,000 paw powerful suction that dives deep into the carpet and hard floors. Crazy, right? I couldn't believe how much it picked up that fast. Oh, and let's not sleep on the mopping function. After all that holiday cooking, kitchen floors get greasy and sticky. We've all been there, right? The eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro's rotating mop pad scrubs gently but effectively, leaving hard floors sparkling. And it automatically lifts the mop when it hits a carpet. So, no wet spots running your rug. Whether you're tidying up after a holiday brunch or preparing for the guest, this 2-in-1 vacuum and mop got your back. The eufy S1 Pro isn't just a cleaning tool for me, it's a way to free up time for what really matters. Laughing with family, sipping hot cocoa by the fire, and reigning in the new year feeling relaxed, not worn out. It's quiet, efficient, and totally hassle-free. Exactly what every busy family needs during the holidays. If you're tired of spending New Year's breaks scrubbing floors instead of celebrating, do yourself a favor and grab the eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro. It's on an exclusive sale and we can get a shocking $800 off. That's more than 50% off. Alright, if you love this holiday life hack, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. More tech wings for busy families are coming your way. Trust me, your spotless home will thank you. Here's to a clean, happy, and stress-free new year. Cheers!